Hello there everyone, my name is Skralo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys and girls, in today's video we're gonna talk about Ethereum and probably one of the easiest trades that you can take on Ethereum this year. The pattern is so obvious, it's just incredibly easy. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm gonna be trading, where am I gonna be taking my trades, and when is it gonna finally move, and potentially if it's gonna move before a certain time period, then how to actually behave and how to make money, because this is gonna be probably the easiest time of 2022 to make money on Ethereum. So if that sounds great, then you know what to do. You have to hit that subscribe button, you have to hit that notification bell so you're always notified when I make a new upload. And guys and girls, go down below this video and hit that like button for Mr. Spot On being here on duty for you 24/7, and thank you very much in advance. So what I'm going to show you in this chart today about Ethereum is going to be one of those bigger trades. But also remember that if you want to get access to all of our smallest trades, the ones that me and my team are taking, because right now the market is slow and we are still absolutely killing it. So we've taken an insane trade on XRP, update on XRP, as you can see right here. So it's absolutely incredible and people are making insane gains on our trades. Here is an XRP trade that I'm talking about, also XRP trade. So it's absolute XRP trade, another one right here. So if you want to join our community, it's absolutely free. And right now, while everyone is losing money, we're actually making money on all these small trades with proper explanations of why. So you're going to learn a lot and you're going to make a lot of money. So go down into the description of this video as well as into the pinned comment and join our free Discord channel right now. There is nothing you have to lose. So join us right now. And first, before I'm actually going to go into all the details with all the technicals, then let's quickly cover some fundamentals and to understand like what kind of news are surrounding Ethereum right now. And that is going to be this thing right here as an example. And people are saying that, you know, they're expecting a big pump in Ethereum because right now, as we can see, finally after the merge, the supply is going down. So Ethereum is becoming deflationary. So as for example, 6,000 Ethereum were burned in just 1 week. So this is crazy that if you think about this, there is becoming less of Ethereum. So the demand at some point is going to simply skyrocket. So, and that's what people are saying, that listen, you know, we can see this in the supply. So after the merge, and it laid the foundation for the splurge and purge and all the rest of the great stuff. So, and right now they're expecting a pump. So let's put this into the back of our minds. Let's continue and come back to this in just a second. So also another one is saying that the Bitcoin and Ethereum indicators are pointing to potential accumulation according to crypto analytics firm, whatever. So they're saying that the accumulation is happening right now, which is also very bullish. But guys and girls, this is the most realistic YouTube channel, so that's why subscribe, call me Mr. Spot On down in the comments, and just share this video. There's a share button down below here on YouTube to share it with the world, because people need to be educated. So all of this is great, right? Okay, we have, you know, it becomes deflationary, it's all very bullish, maybe even we have some accumulation, but let's go to a smaller time frame and let me just show you my trades that I'm gearing up for. So currently, it's very obvious that we have this technical pattern, which is this flag which we broke down from, then subsequently we tried to break back into it, we got rejected, and right now we're dancing around right after the merge. So this is the merge dump, so to speak. So as of right now, we have two levels that we're currently squeezing. Number one is this order block right here. Just look at how freaking precise this is. People say the technical analysis doesn't work. People don't know how to use proper technical analysis to make money. And if you want to learn all of these things, MA, OA, and TA, FA, future stocks, crypto, then go to thomaskralo.com right now and become one of my full-time students at my 5-month-long certified and accredited trading learning programs with a certified diploma at the end, and enjoy. This is one-stop shop place to go to if you want to become a professional trader and not one of those losers who makes up 97% of losing traders in the world. Okay, so as of right now, we're squeezing two very important levels. So number one, if we're going to break the purple one, which is this right here, we're going to be going back into this vicinity and we're going to talk about some targets. So into the vicinity of this whole wedge. But if we're gonna break the red one and then subsequently, the red one, yes, plus the yellow one, and then subsequently the yellow one, then it's gonna be sending us with in the direction of this order block right here. So this means that we are, look, we've been for a month, like since September 22nd, in just a dead-on side move. Nothing is happening. The volume is going down. And I mean, all these things are perfect in terms of these kinds of scalp trades up and down. And this is a lot of the things things. That's what we are taking in the Discord, so join us right now. Even though nothing is happening, we're still making money. Now, technically, there are two major events. So the price is gonna break out either on the 28th of October or at the latest on the 2nd of November. So I have these two boxes, and before we discuss these two boxes and why exactly, then we also have the technicals that if before this happens, before the 28th or the 2nd of November, we only can have a technical breakout. So the technical breakout means that we close with some volume above, at least in the 4-hour chart right here. So it's a breakout above, and this is gonna give us a target of about, so it's gonna be just a beautiful trade. The initial target could be very, very reasonable, in my personal humble opinion, just to be very careful and to be on the safe side. Just take the size of this wedge basically, and then if there's gonna be a breakout, this could be your first take profit area, and also is going to coincide really well with some kind of an order block standing here. And then the second take profit could be somewhere at about $1,700 per Ethereum. So if it's going to break down, which again is just so easy, so obvious, it's unbelievable, then it could put a target for us somewhere at about, let me turn off auto. So it's going to put a target for us at about $1,100 per Ethereum, but just you have to mind this support at the yellow one that's going to come in is going to be a very important one. So maybe it's going to be on a safer side. We need some closure below the yellow one because it's going to be taking the short trade right into this yellow support, because again, look at how spot on it is. So you have to be very, very careful right now. So these are just the technicals, and of course, yes, so the first target would be 1,100. The second target for this kind of a breakout would be precisely $1,000. Very obvious, very easy. I mean, I haven't seen this kind of a precise trade, this kind of precise narrowing of volatility. It's absolutely incredible. And certainly, guys and girls, this is just technicals, because it's either up or down, and it's very simple to trade. If it's a break above, you long it. If it's a breakdown, you short it. So yeah, I mean, it's like you have to be an idiot not to see this. It's just so obvious. But now, when it comes to fundamental breakdowns or breakups, and this is going to be more important, much stronger than any technical breakout or breakdown, because right now in the bear market, in this kind of macro environment, macro things are predominant. So what is October 28th? Let me know that in the comments. Do you already know? Because if you've seen my previous video, then you already know what it is. 28th of October, that is going to be this one right here, PCE. So the report on inflation, the one that Fed gives more weight to. So this is something you have to pay attention to. And then the November the 2nd, which is this box. So if we have nothing special happening on PCE, and it comes out as predicted or whatever, so it's not going to be incredibly good or incredibly terrible to actually have enough power to send the price either breaking down like crazy or actually pumping like crazy, then the latest, absolutely latest, is going to be the November the 2nd, which is going to be the actual FOMC meeting and the decision on the interest rates. So, and as I said before, if it's going to be something like 50 basis points, which is less than 75 expected, then we're definitely going to be bullish, mega bullish. We're going to break above and we're going to go to $1,700 per Ethereum. But if it's going to be something like 75 basis points, so something that has been expected, then it's what we will have to really care about is going to be the FOMC meeting and what Jerome Powell is going to say, as mentioned in the previous video. So very, very simple. And again, of course, if it's going to be a full 1 percentage point, then it's going to be very bearish, and it's going to definitely send us into this breakdown that I've mentioned. Very simple, very straightforward. Let me know down in the comments if you agree with me, and make some noise down in the comments. Call me Mr. Sport, like this video. Enjoy this free course that I've done on crypto that you can actually learn how to use, how to actually trade Bitcoin on, for example, BitGet. And remember about all the bonuses that BitGet gives you if you use my link down below. And stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.